Exactly. You ready to the monster?
Alright guys, welcome to White Noise. So guys, I completely forgot to play this. How do we start it? Oh yeah, wow. That was a fail. Okay.
No, it probably tells you.
No, I had to wait, I had to hit the start button. That was a fail.
Really?
Yep, great way to start a video off.
My forehead hurts.
I wonder what you're gonna do when you see the monster.
I don't want to see the monster.
I want to punch.
Wait, why is my flashlight pointing down?
There's one in here. There's one in here.
I think I found who's wearing all black.
I should probably put the volume a little bit.
Alright, so alright, so obviously Sam is the blonde girl.
What the fuck you
Wait,
guys
where's Ben? Where's Ben?
It's Scrubbing McDonald's.
He's over here,
Gonna let Billy?
Where are you?
We're starting it like this?
Oh, there you are.
In the Mexican?
Ew.
No, racist that is.
Is that Diesel?
Shut up. That'd be myself.
That should be Diesel.
Hey, look. I'm gonna run this room.
There's one in here.
There goes Eagle.
Just the stepping in this game is just scaring me. This is
breathing.
I might be sprinting. I might do it a little fast.
Of course you leave me and Jonah at the rear. That's great. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, but one thing gets picked up all the time by the freaking creature. Yeah, that's great. Thanks, you guys.
This is why I'm in the front.
Is it because you're a Mexican?
Alright, I'm turning off my flashlight.
I'm not dying first this time.
Yeah, how do you turn your flashlight
I
off?
just realized I'm the only fucking other race in this thing, huh?
I'm blonde.
I will blind him with my seizure lights.
Okay, we're
But he
okay.
is a seizure by himself.
In that room?
Oh, there's one down here. There's one down here. I remember this. There's one over here.
I'm gonna go ahead and get it.
Hey, you realize all the tip. Wait.
Yeah, there's one down here. Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Got it.
Got it, but let's hope she can get back to it.
I found her. It's all good. Up to the jail cells where I get locked up, huh?
The jail cells are
That is so racist.
Wait, me and Diesel should go to the train station.
Oh, hi, monster! What's up, motherfucker?
Oh, fuck him.
Alright, I guess it's me and you, Jonah, together.
I hear. Yeah, I hear the thing.
Go straight, right? Yeah, it was right behind us.
That's either the recording or some freaking or Cthulhu.
Okay.
It's Cthulhu! Cthulhu! Okay, alright, there's one in here, I'm pretty sure, isn't there? Yeah, there's one here.
And do we just go straight this way?
We should go.
I don't want to deal with this. I don't.
Yeah.
You're already freaking out. This is worse than Slender.
My
This game is...
flashlight's flickering a little bit.
This
You're
game...
freaking out, man.
How is your flashlight already flickering?
Hey, we're here.
I don't know, I have plus 3 on my flash plan. It's really stupid. I can hear it.
Sam's wearing high-ass socks.
Swear to God, if we can't find it... Oh, okay, you found it.
I found it. Where you go? Where are you? Hey.
Alright, we need to get to the light.
Where are you, Jonah?
Are we both going around the same freaking...
Why are there
I'm
so
still
many
I'm where you left
lockers?
me.
Go back to the middle of the room. Go back to the
Oh,
middle of the
there
room.
you are. Turn around.
Okay.
Coming for you.
Diesel, please tell me you're behind me.
I'm behind you, why? Wait, where'd you go? Sam? Oh, there you
You
go.
better be fucking with me.
What are you looking at?
I really
Oh, we're at the train station. Okay, we're good.
See, I told you I know where it's going.
Why would you just pull it up of all
Alright, we
things?
go over here, right? Alright.
Oh,
If I die, Extinct will die, and if Sam died, it's freaking...
Diesel is instantly gonna... No, Diesel... Oh, Jonah, in here. In here.
Yeah,
I think Sam might be on the
show my comfort. Yeah, you're so much faster than me. My dude's like slow as hell. I might. Oh.
Your flashlight will lock onto it if you see one without noticing.
Where's the thing?
I hear it. Or I heard it.
Shit, there's nothing here.
Right.
Oh, the
Does that
submarine
music
is down.
like always plays? There's just like freaking
It
key
should
in
be
it.
down here.
Tapping one key.
It is very sketchy.
Found it.
Yeah, why are there's not always... Is there always this amount?
Got it.
Okay, that gives me a heart attack when I heard that go off.
Great, we do.
You're so much faster than me. Why?
Because I picked a person that's real. Oh, what is that?
You think that we'd have more batteries in our flashlights than this?
Yeah,
I do. Why don't we bring
in
this
these
gun?
rooms? I'm pretty sure Sam picked them up. Let's go into the autopsy room.
Why didn't we bring
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Jesus, there it is.
Punch him in the face!
Holy crap, that scared the shit out of me.
What do you mean? Did the cabinet scared you?
No, the monster was there, Jesus Christ!
That wasn't. It was in the other room.
I know, but he scared the shit out of me. I went around the corner and he was standing right at me. He looked like he wanted to eat my babies.
Oh look, it's Science Water Fountain.
All I hear is the freaking piano
Yeah,
player,
that's all I hear
getting
too.
louder. That's not good.
Yeah, I know, it's terrible. Okay, let's, I gotta shut my flash.
Oh, he's behind us, run!
Where is he?
Oh, he's behind you guys, or me and Seven?
I don't see him. Where is he?
But he was behind us.
The
He's
fuck?
probably coming for me now. Damn, you're
Alright,
so fast for me
let's
leaving
stay
behind.
facing forward.
Okay.
My flashlight is dimming.
If we're already freaking out on just normal, imagine what we're gonna do when we do Nightmare.
I kill myself every time on Nightmare. I cannot stand Nightmare.
Really
We've
now?
only encountered the monster one.
Okay, Sam said they went to train, so let's go this way.
I resisted.
Corners.
I resisted
Go back.
to run towards
Wait, wait.
You're lucky. I killed myself. I like being a ghost. I like being a ghost.
You're gonna need to stop coughing.
Hey, that's the barrels in the subway. Or the submarine. What?
What was that?
You got me saying it now.
What was
Did you
what?
hear that?
Here?
All I heard was a giant screech.
I didn't hear it. I couldn't hear it.
I'm hearing it. The background sound from my TV is like
The
really
background
loud.
music is just really bad. So
Stop.
the weapons room and the trains are down
Where are
there.
you?
Did you guys? Oh, we're in the stock room. Did you guys go in the stock room?
Alright.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Run!
Oh crap! Where did you go? Did you leave me? It's sick!
I ran back, dude. Oh my god.
We have to go in that room.
He's in there. It scared the shit out of me.
Who cares if he's in there? Power through.
Where is he?
I wanna find a
Where is he? Is he still
He's on
there?
our left.
No, he left.
No,
Okay.
he's not there anymore.
Okay.
Alright, you're one.
It's over here. It's over here.
That's Cthulhu!
Is this Cthulhu?
No, don't
Is that
look at
actually
it.
Cthulhu?
I wanna run towards it though.
I hear one. I hear one. I
Why
don't
can't I
see
run
it though.
towards it?
Oh Christ! It's over there! Do not go that way! I hear it. I can't see it.
Oh shit! I see him.
Yeah, he's still there, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, I found him!
Found the quarter. I found it.
Wait, Extinct, where are you?
Thanks, it's safe.
You
You
go
just
to
got
get
the monster
that?
probably to kill us. Nope, that wasn't me.
Jonah, behind you. Turn around.
And the monster's in here somewhere.
The music keeps getting more intense. I can't handle it.
My flashlight's blinking.
I've only beaten this game on easy.
I beat this game on Nightmare a long time ago, and it was like hell. It was legitimately like
Puppy guards the last.
he puppy guarded the shit out of the last ones. This way. I think there's one down here, isn't there? That music is. Oh, Cthulhu. Hello. Dan went into game chat. We're going to game chat? Okay. Sorry, guys. They're in game chat. What the hell?
I have no idea.
Why are you guys in game chat?
Extinct left.
Hello? Okay, I'm here.
Hello. Sam, where'd you go?
Did Jonah lag out? Are you kidding me? So I'm all on. Oh, hey, what's up?
Oh.
What up? Okay, where's Sam?
Went the wrong way. I'm pretty sure Sam's over here.
Well, me and Jonah were getting followed by the monster, so let's just keep going this way. Let's create another party, because they can barely hear you in game chat.
Motherfucker!
Holy shit. Okay, I just like prepped my pants. Did Dan just die?
I died.
God damn it, Dan. God damn it.
Yeah.
Go to party chat. God damn it. Well, it's all up to me and you, Sam. Because Dan kind of ran into the
It's
monster.
showing you disconnected.
Sam, did you get the one off the
Connected, so I'm like, oh.
hold on, Sam, did you get the one off the did you get the one off the submarine?
No. This one is
I will go check.
Yeah, there's one in the submarine, you know that?
I got one off the train.
Submarine.
Oh, there's one in the submarine.
You guys want me to go check? I'm a ghost. Ooh.
I survived 9 minutes. I had way more.
I don't know. You guys have fun with that. Oh, there's a Cthulhu on the UFO.
Exactly, that's why I said Cthulhu and then you died.
I didn't run towards Cthulhu this time. I ran towards the monster. I thought we were...
Sam, did you get the one in the jail
I
cells?
gotta do it sometime. Come on. Well, Sam, now it's time to do my daily routines of running in circles. Yeah, productive. Okay, there's gonna be a portion of the map where I'm running in a circle. Don't judge me. Sam knows why.
Sam, did you get the one in the cells?
Oh, Cthulhu.
What cell?
I'm
The
in
jail
that's
cells?
the one in the prison.
The jail cells?
Yeah.
You got it in there? Okay.
Yep, she did. That was the first one she got.
Oh, okay.
I want to play as a ghost, but I'm always not.
I am like freaking crap right now because I'm all by myself and my flashlight is legitimately about to die. It is, I know how to shut it off, I'm just saying though, like...
You can see without the flash put on.
Oh yeah, I know, it's just, like, if, like, the people, like, it's hard to see for the people in the video, it's like pitch black for them.
Whatever you do,
What was that?
Turn off your
What
light.
was that?
That's how Slender Man lands. I always stop my light.
What the hell was
Did
that?
I
Holy crap, there you are, hello shit, run, fucking strobe the shit out of my light. My guy's fucking choking. I am invincible, nothing can kill me. I am Jesus.
I think he's gonna jump me. I think he's gonna get one of them. I'm gonna get me. What are you guys? I definitely know there's a tape in here. Sam, there's a tape in that one computer room. Hey.
I knew it.
Yeah, it's in the back corner.
Holy shit.
Wow.
He was guarding it, that's why I got confused. I'm in here waiting.
Satan is like trying to molest me over here. It's like fucking Poopy McShitterkin.
Well, I'm gonna be sending it all.
There are dribbles popping out of Diesel's ass right now.
Oh.
Wait, you guys left me? I'm all by myself?
I think I'm with you.
Oh, okay. Well, Diesel, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna...
Computer room.
There's one in the computer room? Where the hell's the computer room?
It showed you disconnected.
So
And I was
me?
all by myself, so I left.
Oh, really? Did we all disconnect?
No, Diesel, you're in my game, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, but there's one in the computer room.
Okay.
Damn, it was in the back corner though.
I knew there was one in there.
I'm back at the storage room. This is great.
I think I know where you are. I'm coming. Okay, I'm at the submarine. I don't know where you are. Wait, submarine leads to the prison, which leads to the storage room. Actually, I know where I'm going. Best ghost ever, I'm telling you. 10 out of 10, I'm the best ghost.
Okay.
That's Sam.
Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Straight the shit out of me. Run, I'm about to... This is legitly what happened with like people in the Holocaust. Like the giant monster is like Hitler.
What does the Holocaust have to do
I
with
don't
You
know.
had to break that up, really?
I don't know.
That went south.
South 10 times.
Dan, where'd you say you are? Alright, Dan, go to the UFO room.
You bitch. Now I have to look for this. I hate not being library.
Like the sounds in this game are so sketchy, it's not even funny.
Yeah.
Aren't you gonna join the lobby?
I did get an inside timeline.
Ah, bitch. Okay, so apparently these boxes were made in China. For body bags.
I'm the only one in here. Wait, why are you rushing me to join?
Johnny, not Johnny, Diesel, you said there was one in the UFO room, right?
No, the computer room.
Alright, this might actually be mine. I know this one pretty well.
So you should wait until man.
We are.
Oh look, the UFO room.
Oh, okay, you're in there? Okay,
I'm going towards the right way.
oh, sweet Jesus, fucking Mother of God, Saint Mary, God damn it, I'm in a corner.
Get cornered,
You're dead.
noob. Get cornered, noob. What a noob. Hey, it's Cthulhu. My best friend.
Alright, where are you, Dan? I'm over by Cthulhu.
What's Cthulhu?
Which one?
Oh, Saint Lucifer, God damn.
Oh, hi.
I'm
I'm right behind you, buddy.
Oh, there you are. Okay, show me where the computer room is, because Satan Lover over here, Satan Lover Boy wants to eat my giblets, so let's go. Like now.
Gotta remember, this way. It's this way. I know what I'm doing.
I'm just gonna follow you because my flashlight's about to die.
Cthulhu, don't look that way. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way. Bam! Look at that. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. So if you look to your right, I'm pretty sure there's Cthulhu down there. See this?
Oh,
All of that.
frickin' God, say this is fucking Christ.
Oh, he's back here?
Yeah, he's right there. He's molesting your giblets. He's eating your children. He's eating your children.
How's it going, buddy?
Is he going? Is he going?
How's it going?
Is he going?
I can't see him.
Okay, he's gone. Let's go.
Yeah, this is a power reactor, so if we keep her going, pretty sure we'll end up hitting
I think we're on 6.
We're on 5.
Oh, well, we're fine.
We're gonna be on 6. Okay, so that's arrows, I think. Get this way.
This is just like, this game is just sketchy all around.
Heading
Come
this
on,
way.
hurry up.
Go this. Okay, now you don't go that way.
Die.
They go this way.
Die.
Think.
Sam, stop saying die!
Die.
You're like super negative over there. Jeez, thanks.
Join me in that. It's funny. Do it how you want.
If you get that tape recorder, the next 2 corners you see,
Okay.
it's gonna be that month.
see
I
this?
hope you guys die.
You see this right here? This is Time's water fountain. See those? There's probably guns in those, but we're too stupid to grab guns.
We do over here. We need to go do that in GTA. That was hilarious.
What?
Dan with his
They
Mr.
got
Officer thing.
Up there's a person over there. Took my leg.
Makeshift GPS.
Oh god, holy
They took my
sweet
lunch money.
god damn, fucking
Okay, well,
eat
that's
my
a
shit.
train.
Eat my shit.
So I fucked up in somewhere. Where did I fuck up in turning?
Okay, so he just like popped out of your asshole, and it was pretty uncomfortable.
Jesus.
Oh, hello, he's right there. He's right there down that corridor. I'm about to die. Fucking strobe light, strobe light, strobe light.
Okay.
I'm staring into nothingness right now. I'm legitimately getting shivers down my spine right now. I haven't played this game in such a long time.
If you need me, I'll be down that corridor you've seen it.
Problem is, I ran away, so I have no clue where the fuck he
Look
went.
at this progress. That corridor, you seen him? Great. You passed me, by the way.
Did I?
Making progress down the hall. Yep.
I don't see you.
Down that corridor.
Oh, I see you, okay.
Making progress right here.
It's total progress.
Okay, now we go this way. Go this way. Do this. Do this. Back to the power room. Put the bulb to place. Okay, you see these? These things? Yeah, they're pretty ugly. See that right there? Yeah,
those are anal. Those are like, they eat your
see
booties.
that right there? That's E.T.
They eat your booties.
That's E.T.
They eat your orphans.
I'm still alive.
I don't understand either.
Oh god, no, I'm dead.
Ah, what a bitch.
What?
Ah, what a bitch.
What? That makes total sense, I guess. Okay, thanks.
Ah, what a bitch.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
Your memory of Boy Diesel. Yes, 8 minutes. I didn't scream once. I walked more. Jesus Christ. I didn't scream. Fuck, I'm a bitch.
Okay, I need.
Watch my
Alright,
replay.
invite. Sam, what are you doing? Sam, put it on Nightmare, because I actually want, I want jump scares and shit.
There's already enough jump scares, we're good.
Jonah, shut
Look
up.
at this.
Shut up. You're just
Look at
afraid.
this shit.
Jonah, you're just afraid. Shut
I
up.
put it on hard.
Look at
You guys can't hear it.
Look at how I go.
Stupid.
I put it on nightmare.
Okay, this is gonna be
Yeah,
fun.
I think you scream so much. Jesus Christ.
Me?
Where are you, big baby?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, whatever.
Well, that's where I died. Look, I'm spinning circles right there.
Dan, how tall are you again? That thing's like 9 feet tall.
Did you say Dan?
No, Sam.
Oh.
Why are you asking me how tall Sam is?
Because I'm like 6 something, and if that thing's 9 feet tall and Sam's like 4'3", I think he'd
Jesus.
be more physically than her.
Wow, right.
I don't think Sam's
Wow.
4'3".
I'm pretty sure Sam isn't 4'3".
5'10", 5'11".
I'm going
What?
with 5'4".
Hold on. Why are we talking about people's sizes? Like, what?
I'm 6'2" or 3".
Diesel. Just stop. Just
I'm
stop.
also Mexican,
Okay, we've already said that.
so
But
I win.
yeah. So, Dan, you died first.
Don't
Dan,
hesitate.
you don't get a guy? Alright,
What? What'd you say?
I said, if you don't get a guy soon, we're gonna start without you.
Each one. We're doing bunker again?
Yeah, because bunkers... Actually, no, let's do a different one.
Sam's supposed to just change it.
Damn, put the
I made
one
her
right
mad
there.
by saying the height.
Damn, put the one that's the funny one that the time made fun of. Or never mind.
No, she started.
Dan, put the one on me and take me finish it. Okay, I'm right behind Jonah.
Started up so quickly.
Alright, there's Jonah.
She's back.
60-0.
Alright, so you guys are right there. Okay, I'm gonna follow you guys.
My bees are
Can you stop? I'm gonna cause someone in my views to have a seizure.
Casualties.
You are legitimately going to cause death. What was that?
So we're on Nightmare, right?
Yeah, we're in Nightmare, so he's gonna come after us as soon as possible.
Okay.
After we
I'll
get
punch him in
one,
the face.
one is, you always have safety until the first one, I believe.
Not on Nightmare, not on Nightmare. I'll come right at you. No, we're gonna backtrack. It's this way.
I'm gonna go this way.
Alright, well, the Mexican's dying first.
I think.
Shut up.
Alright, we're
You guys are assholes. I'm going to die in like 5 seconds. Come on.
The next thing's gonna die first. Bullshit. I told you never talk about me.
Diesel, shut up.
Shit happened.
Shut up. Oh, God. I don't even know where the hell you guys went now.
What's it? We can't let the Mexicans.
We went around a freaking
Otherwise, we'd
hole
be racist.
instead of going down the straight hallway.
Jonah,
Zigzag.
deal with it.
I found Sam. Sam's like banging out over here to some beats.
Now, look at this.
Sam's character is like bouncing her fucking head and wobbling to her foot.
Someone sees.
Sam, what you listening to?
I made her mad with the high joke. And now she's taller than all of us too.
No one sees a Mexican.
And then I don't know my names. We still haven't even found the first one.
Dude, I'm so far, you guys would never find me.
They're right next to us.
Nope, definitely not right next to you.
Okay, whatever. You guys' heart rate is going after crap.
I'm gonna go each way.
Why is there? These cameras don't even have points.
This is like the most boring. Don't hear a fucking robot. Kobe.
This episode sucks.
I run in circles.
Alright, the box one's over here. We can get the box one first.
Where are you
Matt? This is a jail cell, you idiot.
My guy's fat and slow.
No, I'm not trying to go back. What up? I'm not trying to go back. No.
Shut up, Diesel.
No. I don't want to go back. No. Fuck it, I'll be in my jail cell then. I own this one right here. Yep, this is my jail cell. I'll be in my jail cell if y'all need me.
Yeah, now we're gonna die.
Oh yeah.
Yay, Dad.
This is where we're all gonna crap our pants. This is where we're all gonna shit
All the
ourselves.
freaking music just looks like that, like
Johnny, you sound like a
Alright,
robot.
everyone stand back to back. Watch you guys jump. I'm ready to move on.
No, the funny thing is you actually are doing a moonwalk.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't want to turn around.
You guys are fine. I know you're around here. Y'all need me, I'll be my jail cell.
I don't think there's another one. Why is there a tombstone?
Oh, because it's Cthulhu right there.
Oh,
Where?
don't get killed by Cthulhu.
Guys, follow me.
Cthulhu!
Follow me.
I see you, Cthulhu. You over there.
To the Sabaron.
See what you're
To the
doing?
Sahara.
Oh, look, it's the guy. Cthulhu got me.
Really, Diesel? Really?
Game.
Did he already die? Okay, he's gone.
I did it on purpose. You already know. You guys buy the submarine? Hey, guys!
Yeah.
Hi, Dan.
Ooh, spooky light.
Wait, you guys, I thought we were going that way. You guys,
He's gone. We're fine. Jonah, calm down. You're like a freaking
oh my god,
newborn.
no, I mean like you guys
Oh, look.
leave me behind.
There's one on the submarine.
My guy's really slow.
I do super slower than
My
you.
guy's a little on the fat side. Sorry,
I do
really
slow.
on the fat side.
Sam is like trying to strobe me over here. Stop strobing, Sam.
Damn,
That's not me.
we don't even know what you're doing.
Never mind. Someone's on top
Sam's
of the
character is legitly banging out some mean-ass dubstep.
My flashlight's dying.
Submarine.
I need to move.
Okay. Why'd you guys go that way? That's just gonna take you guys back where we went. Why don't you guys go across the submarine?
Where the hell do you think I'm going, Diesel?
There's a fucking bridge.
You're going around the submarine.
That worked out for you.
Oh yeah, that thing is like bright red. Let's not.
How'd that work out for
And
you?
you're right.
Yep, I'm always right. Follow the Mexican.
You're dead.
Oh, God.
Man, I I know what I'm doing. Us being dead is awesome. I can't die again. What's the ghost?
You already
oh, this
did.
is Cthulhu right there, so letting y'all know. Go each way. Each way.
My guy's going insane.
Oh, look.
Oh, there's Cthulhu.
It's the computer.
Wait, where did Dan go?
I think he went this way.
Wait, where did everybody
No,
go?
he went that way. He went that way. Going that way.
Right here, Shan.
What way?
This
I
way.
have no idea where anybody's at.
Bam!
Oh, they got there. How are we even alive still?
Don't say that.
I
Look
don't
behind
think.
you. You're a robot.
You're a robot. You're a robot. You're a robot.
You are a robot. You are a robot.
I think we should make Jonah lead just so we can hear comedy. Let Jonah lead so we can hear comedy. Jonah, you're gonna lead.
Why do I have to leave?
Because you're the funniest one when you get scared.
That would have makes me
Oh
look.
shit, I found my freaking controller on my
Wait, fuck. This racist now.
Wait,
I'm gonna die first. God damn it.
I told you you were gonna die first.
But my turn.
Anybody's following.
On the chair.
Yeah,
On the
no,
chair.
You're all alone.
Let's follow Jonah. Oh wait, let's just leave him behind. Alright, you guys are lovely people. My guy's like freaking out right now.
Sniffing it out.
Thanks for leaving me, you pricks.
Jonah, shut up.
No, you've left me behind. Oh, my guy's too fat to squeeze between these
Back
two
over here
chairs.
somewhere.
Oh crap, he spawned right next to me.
Now what a bitch.
He's still there, do you not see him? Did Sam die?
Oh God! Holy crap!
I told you he was back there.
Oh, sweet Christ!
Sam's stuck on a
God damn it.
Oh, Sam's dead.
Sam's dead.
I was dead.
It's only us two.
Hold him in the head, Sam.
What? There's two of them!
It's over there.
What?
What?
Hunter's dead.
There's only
You're
one.
not
What?
I'm stuck.
Sam, you're stuck. Go this way. Go this way.
Jonah, I'm right behind you.
I don't like this game.
Jonah, I'm behind you. Come here. I think I know where it
I
is.
can't see them. He's going to be behind me. He's behind me.
It's not working.
He's behind you?
I don't like it. He's behind me.
Oh, Sam, go like this. Oh, now I'm stuck. Shit.
He is very much.
Ew.
There. No, he's not there. Where'd he go?
Me and
No,
Sam
my
got
light's
stuck.
flickering.
Oh shit, now I'm stuck. Come on. Okay,
So
now.
much for being a ghost. Sam are legitimately stuck.
I don't know what to do here.
Oh, Sam's unstuck.
Wrecked the
Wait.
My lights
He
are
just
about
came
to
in and
shut off.
molested like all of us in one shot.
Fuck.
He's just like, yeah, but I'm MLG. I'm an MLG like 420 blaze. I'm just gonna wreck you kids.
I don't. Why is he leaving me alive?
Because
So we can get the
he knows that you're the funniest one to scare.
I don't care. My lights are about to shut off.
Ah! Bitch, that's why. See what I mean?
He's there again. No, you committed suicide. That doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
I'm not. I heard the damn thing.
He's stuck in Cthulhu. I told you guys I'm gonna hug Cthulhu.
He's stuck in
we
Tommy
got
guard again. What is this? That ain't great. He's still
We're
standing
stuck.
there. He can see me through the freaking boxes.
We're stuck over here.
Yeah.
You guys want to freaking pass out from exhaustion, jeez.
You guys are legitly freaking stuck. That's hilarious.
Why didn't you leave me, child? I can't see.
I tried to
going
leave
up.
Yes.
Jonah, I'm gonna try and come and find you.
Right.
I'm pretty sure I'm in the room. Yeah, I'm in the room where you guys all died at again.
Me and Sam are having such a good time right here. Just stuck.
I hate this.
My light's about.
Where is this goddamn thing?
We are
Oh, I
stuck.
see where you are,
Oh,
Jonah.
I see him.
We're stuck. Someone quick, shoot us. Shoot us or something. I know Sam wanted to
that
kill
an
me.
option?
She told me it in. If she could kill me, she'd kill me. But now.
Did you both die there or something?
No,
Oh Christ!
I died
Yes.
here.
Yes,
But-
I died.
He's over there.
Yes, I died
He's
here.
over there. Oh, he's over there too.
I've been a ghost for most of this time, and I got.
Where's the stupid thing?
Okay,
Where I hear it, but I can't see it. Ah, oh my god, he needs to stop teleporting.
You just died.
That's not for me. I looked at him, he teleported, and then killed me.
No, get over here. I want to see you die.
And he's still over there. His head's like spinning around in circles, so it's upside down.
What the hell, Dan? All I hear is him going.
That's what the guy
I don't
said.
agree with this guy's methods.
Stand right there on that compass. You might die right there. Die right there on that compass.
Die on the
Die
star.
right there.
I don't want to die.
Die on the star.
Well, I want to, but like I want to find a tape recorder by myself. He's still there. He's right.
No, if you see him and you want to look at him, you might as well stay in right in front of us.
Guys, I feel like if Sam could really kill me, she would kill me right now. But still,
What's that?
Snap your
we're
neck.
fine. Exactly.
My
You know what I
control
mean?
just vibrated. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, shit! I don't know where to go.
I just need to snap it.
There's nowhere to go.
You're jamming out with your eyes.
God damn it.
He died and I didn't see it.
No, he didn't die, he just screamed, he screamed.
Oh,
Ah, what a bitch.
damn it.
He's like right next to your guys' dead bodies. He's just not on me over there.
I'm not dead
Oh,
though.
you died.
I died in the.
Not here.
I
not
went
here.
somewhere.
Jordan's just cowering in a corner.
My screen is completely green.
Sweet.
Oh, I don't know where Sam went.
Yeah,
That's gone.
Where'd she go?
My screen went completely green.
Oh, Christ.
Sam's around you somewhere.
I don't like
Sam's a UFO.
Even these things look like twins right now on my screen.
But you just get killed, buddy.
He just keeps getting closer. He's like
Your
right there, and then
eyes look demented as hell. Jesus Christ. Seriously, you're shaking profusively and it's scaring me.
Oh my God!
Hey, look, he died.
Oh my God!
What a noob! What a noob!
Oh yeah, I'm really going around in circles.
Look, guys, let's see how fast I died.
What a noob! What a noob!
I'm dying. I got no recorders too.
Woo!
I walked farther.
Wait, how did I walk less than you? What
Johnny,
the
you
hell?
screwed the words the most.
I don't care.
Look at the replay. Watch this. Let's see what I do.
Yeah, I was behind the entire time.
Realistic stuff over there.
The realistic thing.
Looks like
You guys are
you've been going in
assholes.
circles for a while. Why? Did you see me going in circles for a while?
And like somebody.
Is that where I died?
screamed.
Oh yeah, I'm like Cthulhu.
There, now
I
you
died.
Then I screamed.
Follow me. Follow me. And as you go this way, you'll see. Stuff, yes. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go this way now. And we missed the middle again.
And then that's where I got stuck.
And you guys are dead.
That's where we got stuck. And Malcolm, we always forget the middle.
It's your complete
We didn't even
circles
go
that
to
come
the
back to
left.
life. I went off like.
Hey, Sam, we're just sitting there just because we got stuck. I don't like this.
I hate this game.
I can tell, Jonah.
We will play
Alright,
GTA.
let's
Throw
go
my
play
controller.
Go.
I will play it again.
It's
We
fun.
played it
Sam,
enough.
Sam, put on that one map. You know the map.
Really? You're gonna put it on easy?
This one.
Put it on at least hard.
And
I don't. I can't deal with this.
It's
the map
this
you
one.
guys
Jonah, shut up!
Yeah,
We
it's this
see
one.
the giant. No, the giant statue.
Oh, okay.
The other one, go back one.
4, 3.
No, wrong one.
1.
Sam was the one that with the statue to go.
Sam, is your character on steroids? Because it says she has this times 3 speed.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, she's a marathon runner.
She is legitimately on mad cocaine.
Gone already.
Mad cocaine.
Speedwalker.
Oh.
Okay, there's one over by the statues. There's one over here.
Another.
Shut up. Shut up!
There's one over here.
Oh, Sam,
Stop
it's this
making fun of me!
But I do it out of love. here
I'm gonna go
already.
this way by myself. Really? Where?
Don't mind my screen blinked.
I don't want to fight him.
Why do you die so quickly? Try to survive with us.
It's not as fun. It's kind of boring.
But you don't get scared. But you're a ghost.
I don't get scared at all.
Don't speak about getting scared. I don't like this game.
Then you guys leave me.
Everybody, let's be
If
quiet.
you guys want me to survive, then you guys leave me.
Dan, you're the one that walked the complete opposite direction of us, so don't start talking.
I'm walking right behind you guys. Dude, I'm apparently
Did you get scared?
wearing fucking heavy gear or something.
Scared kid.
Oh look, a tape recorder. I'm gonna go touch it.
Damn, you don't get into the game enough to get
No,
scared.
I wanna go touch it.
Mine.
I'm just so invested in this game that it scares the shit out of me. Yeah, that's what I'm talking.
Okay, he's gonna come and try and molest our giblets, especially Sam's, because she's a girl. So.
Okay, can I help
We
over
need
here?
a sacrifice.
I got this.
I nominate the Mexican. Oh my god, he's already here. He's already here. I'm running.
Where? I don't see him.
He's through a light.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Lead!
Oh my god, there goes Dan.
Oh, fuck.
Get the cop my face.
Oh well, here's the wall.
Why can't
Crap.
we just escape?
I won. I
We're
won
just
and
gonna
I
go traveling through the Slenderman forest. Okay, I get
Okay,
it.
so
We're just gonna walk through the Slenderman forest.
I'll be running in circles if you guys.
I feel it. Why are you?
Gotta make your way back over there where I was, because I'm over here just chilling. I can lead you guys.
You're probably walking in circles again.
Me? Yeah. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
Oh nope, he's over by a dead body. Screw that.
I know.
He's like, don't touch my dead body.
Don't touch my fake
Walk
corpse.
towards you guys.
That's my sex slave. Don't touch it.
I think this should be our last round.
Diesel, you're the monster sex slave.
The monster's fucking punch in the bitch.
Oh, here's the giant faces.
I run toward.
It looks like freaking Caesar.
Hey, Sam.
There should be one leaning against him.
I hear it. Again.
Got it, and he's right there.
Oh, hi.
Where's Sam? Oh, there she is.
Give me a few guys. I see over there. Over there. You. Over there.
Creepy.
What you doing? Right behind you. I'm not.
That's creepy. If you turn off your flashlight and then sprint and look at the ground changes from like gray to like a deep black for some reason. But that's where your flashlight's supposed to be. You sprint. It's weird.
Oh yeah, you're phone. So as you see right here, there's trees. Oh look, the river.
Freaking way, Dan. I would
We follow the river to north, or to south.
I can't touch that.
There's a
That's
Cthulhu.
Cthulhu.
Where?
This is for the water.
You see this? This is Venus rock.
Where does the water go exactly? It just hits this
Ew, I can see it.
What?
Guys, don't look behind you. Don't look behind you.
Look at it from over here. And just look at it.
I don't want to know what you two are thinking.
I just called it out.
And it was
Yeah,
exactly
I
like
don't want
it.
to know.
Really, guys? Really?
Nice
Really?
observation.
What if we have like little children watching this? Even though
Oh, don't worry,
We
Yeah.
cussed like 50 freaking times. I don't like it make a difference at this point.
That is also true.
Wait, you're recording?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I have been.
I know that. I'm like, I mean really to Sam.
Oh.
Oh, I see it.
We gotta do the Slenderman, like, tactic. We gotta go around in a giant circle on the outskirts.
Okay, there's a wall over there.
I'm doing the Slenderman tactic, going in a giant circle around the map, and that's how you do it. And then you go to the middle, and the last one's in the middle. The middle one's the easiest one to get. It's on the back of the tree. Ow, hello, you little douchebag. Oh, great, I'm surrounded by
Oh,
Cthulhu's.
there's two.
There's like 10 Cthulhu Cthulhu's over here, and then there's our guy, a freaking creeper over here following us.
He's Lester the Molester. It's Lester the Molester.
Hey, that's my life. Poor Sam. The guy is just creeping on us. Is he still back there?
Oh, here's the alien statues.
Ooh. Oh, those. He's like watching us. He's watching our every movement. Still back there.
Got it.
Oh, there it is. I'm pretty sure he's still over here.
That music doesn't sound good.
Yeah, this is where we got to last time. We only got to 4 and then everybody died.
Don't worry, I'm an expert guide. I know exactly where I'm going.
I don't.
How come you died third?
Yeah, how
I
come
died
you
because I
were
got
alive?
stuck.
Why did I have to be the last one alive?
Because it was funny.
It's not. It's not funny at all.
Okay, so we're back at the statues, so we have to take a... We went right last time, didn't we? So we have to go left. You go left.
Guys, ready to go.
Music is just getting more intense. Let's just gaze at the
I'm back.
stars for a little bit.
Look, back. What happened?
Guys.
Oh, look, I found a torpedo tonight.
Behind us.
Oh, hello.
God damn it, I gotta stop turning around.
No, leave it off. Leave it off.
You bitch.
Where you going?
No, seriously. I can't catch it.
Well, I see you guys. Hey, guys, I see you out there.
He's still over there.
Oh,
This
someone
time
turned
it
off the
didn't
light.
make like the big flashing sound in the middle.
And they're gone. Wait. I see them again.
Didn't we come over here before?
Yeah, we're back at the spawn. Oh, he's right behind us. Okay.
I'm not checking.
Isn't there supposed to be a
I will
house?
take your word for it.
Yeah, there's a church. I'm trying to find the church. I'm trying to find it.
I know where the other woods one.
Okay. I think we should
No,
probably
it's this
go
one.
left, because left is probably in.
Yeah, left.
Oh yeah, he's like walking up on us slowly.
Alright, guys, follow me.
I'm following Sam now.
Sam, slow down. You're on crack. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah.
Your guys.
Wait, now turn to the right a little.
The freaking professional speed walker.
Oh! Oh, they did. He's close back
picked
here.
me up and killed me.
Hey, Jonah, how's it going, buddy?
What was that? It picked me up and killed me. It didn't even like give me.
Oh, see, look, it just did right there.
They're gonna
Who else
see.
died?
Teabag his body, teabag his body.
That's racist. That's sexist. He killed all the men first. You know how sexist
Oh,
that
you're
is?
fucking kidding me, aren't you?
We're right behind you, Sam, don't worry. There's some broken tweet down
I
there.
just feel like looking at this.
Oh, you're at the dragon's head. Sam, it's over here.
Is there one?
Yeah, it's over here.
There's one right here. Sam, back here. Sam, over here. Right here.
Oh, fuck, he's right there.
Bam!
Why did you guys have to die?
Right here, right here, right here.
Yeah, because I totally chose to die. That's why I picked my
always die.
controller.
And
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
I always die. Three uses.
Alright, well, where's the church?
No, there's one down here. There's one down here. The pylons over here.
You understand?
I swear.
Because we're in the graveyard. This is the graveyard, and then we go to the church.
That's 6 that we'd only have 7.
It's right here. It's right here.
Yeah, then you go to the 6.
Now,
And then we get our 7th and 8th is the church. I swear, if she survives this, I'm gonna freaking slap myself or something. There's no
What
way.
happens when you pass it?
You turn into the monster.
You become the monster.
You become the monster.
Yeah. If she passes this, I'll wear all pink in GTA.
Okay, okay. Everybody get ready to see Jonah in all pink.
I will wear it in every.
I found the church! Oh my god, that is a scary... Oh my god, that is very scary. Guys, come over here and look at this...
We need to keep moving.
Look at... What the hell is that? That is like freaking Satan. Over here. It's on the back. It's over here, Sam.
It's right here.
I really don't want to wear pink in GTA, so...
There's another one. Jonah, there's another one.
It's in the church.
Ew, that's
It's
weird.
in the church.
Yeah, Sam, it's inside the church.
Bam! Got this. Guard the door.
Wait, what happens
I'm
if
gonna
it
walk
doesn't
out
make it?
backwards.
That's gonna make it worse for you.
Bam. Bam. Bam.
There's no way.
Just follow the street. Follow the
Guys,
street. Follow
where'd
the
you
street.
go?
Right,
Sam,
you're
over
right.
here. You're right.
Stop it. You're following the wrong person, I think. You're following Dan. It thinks
Somebody
it's got
should-
that.
Give it.
I win!
Oh, dang it. We were 1 away. Come on.
Let's see how far I
We had 11. We had exactly 11 minutes.
Let's see how long.
In memory of Boy Diesel. Boy Diesel died so fast.
I survived exactly.
I didn't scream once.
Sam survived almost exactly
I didn't
11.
die. Well, I technically screamed.
I didn't
Of
scream.
course.
Fuck.
I screamed once.
Let's see the replay.
Alright, let's see where we did not go.
And then Dan wanted like veer off here to do his own thing. Oh, what? No, he didn't.
Oh, yeah. Now
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Damn.
I knew he was walking in circles.
You guys got scared and watch. Wait for it again. See, watch. You guys got scared, so I'm like, I'll just wait here. I went AFK.
You died?
No, I went AFK, remember?
Yeah, but did you die with your AFK?
No, I died over there at the beginning.
Oh, yeah, you already did.
I went looking for you guys. I'm like, huh.
Yeah. As soon as you
Hey, guys.
can actually find
And
it.
then I'm dead, I believe. And then Extinct's dead.
I'm just like, fuck you guys.
Sam gets on the road and follows the wrong person.
I was like,
So we missed the one in the middle. We missed the one in the middle. Alright, I think, do you guys want to cut it here and then we'll do the GT?
Yeah, can we cut it?
Alright.
Yeah, let's like leave it to
I don't want to do this anymore.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Quit.
Sam, do you want to do the honors of ending it?
What is that?
I don't know. I don't know. There you go, Diesel. There you go. Just pervertedly yell something.